Hey guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Rehun Paz. You know kebab? Of course you do. There are different kinds of kebab. Digi one, Sikhi one, Shami one. This is the Digi one. Nice and easy to make in 20 minutes. Of course, if you are Rehun. You need mincemeat, onion, garlic, bell pepper, tomato paste, and spices. Boring parts. Peel the onions and such a peelable onions they are. After losing half the onions in the peeling process, grate them and wipe your tears. Don't cry, it's okay. Grate the garlic cloves. Mix spices, salt, grated onions and garlic and knead the mixture. Put on your long sleeves, shield up, cause it's frying time. You may say, what a disgusting pan. But no, it's not dirty. It's a handmade copper pan and it's just the way it is. Believe it or not, it's healthier. Kebab Digi has a special sauce. You need to fry tomato paste, add bell pepper, pour water, add salt and black pepper, and it's all ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Please check out the description for the detailed recipe.